In today's video, I'm breaking down Kovo Credit Builder, a unique service designed specifically to help you build credit without a credit check and without drastically affecting your monthly budget. So without further ado, let's dive into what Kovo Credit Builder is all about, its features, pros and cons, and how it compares to other credit building tools. Let's begin by exploring what Kovo Credit Builder actually is and how it works. Kovo is a public benefit corporation that aims to help users build credit through a simple, structured installment program. For a total cost of $240, you make monthly payments of $10 over a 24-month period. Unlike traditional credit builder loans that work like a savings account where you eventually recoup most of your money, Kovo's model is more like a subscription for educational and security services that are designed to help you improve your credit profile. Every payment you make is reported to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, as well as Innovis, ensuring that your on-time payments contribute to building a positive credit history. One of Kovo's primary selling points is its accessibility. Since the application process doesn't require a hard credit check, you can apply without fear of damaging your credit score. Instead, you only need to meet a monthly income requirement, and your identity is verified using basic information such as your social security number, address, birthday, and income details. The approval process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, so you can start making payments almost immediately after signing up. This simplicity makes Kovo especially attractive for individuals who are new to credit or those who have struggled with their credit in the past. Another aspect that sets Kovo apart is the integrated suite of additional features that come with the Credit Builder account. When you enroll, you gain access to a whole library of interactive educational resources. These resources cover a wide range of topics, from personal branding and financial literacy to practical tutorials on tools like Google Sheets. Kovo claims that these resources alone have a value of over $400, offering you the knowledge needed to not only build credit but also manage it responsibly, especially in the long-term future. This educational component is designed to help users understand the importance of credit usage. You'll also be learning best practices for managing debt and developing habits that lead to financial freedom. Kovo also goes beyond just reporting your payments by including comprehensive identity monitoring. For the full 24 months that you're in the program, you receive ID monitoring service that covers dark web surveillance, high-risk transaction alerts, and compromised credential notifications. This means that while you're building your credit, Kovo is also keeping an eye on your digital security, alerting you if your personal information is found in places it shouldn't be. In today's high-risk digital environment, this additional layer of protection is a significant benefit for anyone looking to safeguard their identity. Perhaps one of the most intriguing features of Kovo is its Credit Booster benefit. Once you've made at least 4 on-time payments, you become eligible for a single-purpose credit line with $500 as the limit. This isn't just an extra line of credit, it's a tool designed to further enhance your credit history. By using this credit line responsibly, making timely payments, and keeping your utilization low, you can add another positive element to your credit profile. This credit boost also comes with a high deductible $1 million ID fraud insurance policy, as well as 24/7 ID theft resolution services, ensuring that even if something does go wrong, you're protected and, more importantly, supported. Additionally, Kovo offers a rewards program that gives you the opportunity to earn gift cards as a small rebate on the credit that you apply through for their platform. The rewards vary depending on the type of loan that you get. For example, you could earn up to $500 on a personal loan, $250 on a student loan, and $150 on an auto loan. There's also a flat $75 on a credit card. This rewards mechanism effectively gives you a 1% return on the loan's value, which can help offset the overall cost of the credit building process. While the amounts might not be huge for someone working hard to build their credit, every little bit does count here. Now let's consider the cost comparison. At $10 a month over 24 months, Kovo requires a total commitment of about $240. This might seem reasonable at first glance, especially given the low monthly payment that makes it easier to budget for. There's also other services like Self, where you're essentially paying for the service and then getting most of your money back, while Kovo does not offer that return of principal. Also, those other credit building platforms will be linked down in the description. Also, if you want to learn more about those platforms, hit the subscribe button so you can actually see those videos when they come out on this channel. User experience, though, is a different story, and Kovo has received a really great amount of support from people who have used it. On Trustpilot, Kovo has received an average rating of 4.9 stars out of 5 stars, and that's from nearly about 500 different reviews. Many users have praised the simplicity of the payment structure, noting that the $10 monthly installment fee is easy to manage and doesn't really strain on their budgets. Additionally, customers have reported quick and noticeable improvements in their credit scores, which is of course the primary goal for this whole service in the first place. Some reviewers did express some frustration with the fact that you couldn't get your money back at the end of the term, but the whole point of this is to build your credit in the first place. So getting your money back at the end of this is kind of like a give and take. When it comes to practical usage, Kovo is best suited for individuals who prioritize low monthly payments and a straightforward path to building credit, even if that means paying a bit more. Its combination of credit reporting, educational content, and even identity monitoring provides a holistic approach to credit building that goes beyond just making payments on time. For those who are serious about improving their credit scores while also gaining valuable financial literacy and protection, I would definitely recommend checking out Kovo. But summing all this up, Kovo Credit Builder offers such a unique blend of services aimed at helping you build credit responsibly. With a fixed cost of $240 paid in easy, manageable monthly installments, you gain not only the benefit of a reported credit builder account, but also access to interactive educational resources, 24 months of ID monitoring, a potential credit boost, and a modest rewards program. These features are designed to educate you on the importance of credit, encourage responsible financial behavior, and protect you against identity theft. Ultimately, if you're looking for a low monthly payment plan that provides both credit building and additional security features, Kovo might be the right fit for you, provided of course that you're comfortable with the higher overall cost compared to some of the alternatives. Now you're probably wondering, how do I even get started with Kovo in the first place? I want to start improving my credit as soon as possible. The best way to go about doing that is by using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, it's very easy to get started with Kovo. You simply have to hit the Apply Now button. Once you hit the Apply Now button, it will then take you to their application page. On their application page, you'll want to enter in your phone number, which will then send you a verification code. You'll enter in that verification code and hit the Verify button. Once you've done all of that, you'll then have to enter in your first name, your middle name, your last name, your birth date, your street address, your apartment number, your city, state, zip code, social security number, your monthly income, and then you want to check this box down here that authorizes your social security to actually get your credit statement in the first place. Once you have all this filled out, you'll hit the submit button, and then it'll walk you through the last steps, which is getting approved for your application and making those initial installment payments. Other than that though, that's everything that you need to know about Kovo. Be sure to check out again the links down in the description to get started with any of the platforms that we talked about in this video. And then of course, if you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Other than that though, we'll see you guys in the next one.